Ano naman pong event?
Ano, nag-introduce lang ako ng About Us kanina. And, napaka-emotional. Kasi ang kinikwento nila sa akin na usually yung mga Filipino films na dinidistribute nila dito, mga 2 weeks lang, pero itong About Us, sumaabot na ng 7 weeks.
7 weeks na siyang pinapanood, pinapalabas.
Tapos yung mga cinemas na ito tumatawag sa distributors na nagre-request kung pwedeng ipalabas yung movie. Tapos kanina na-meet ko ilan sa mga nanonood, yung mga audiences. Yung isa doon, 3 beses lang yung pinanood. Sobrang silang passionate sa film, nakakatuwa.
Pero hindi lang mga Pinoy.
Pero mga Pinoy yun sila.
Hindi, mga Japanese.
Talaga.
Kanina. Yung mga nandun pati Japanese. So,
May Japanese translation.
May nag-translate ako.
Iba yung dating sa kanila ng movie. Nakwento mo direct na may stage play na yon.
Sinabi ko, gusto nga nila mabasa yung nobela. Sabi ko, Tagalog, paano? So yun.
Okay.
Pag ilang festival na ito ng About Us?
About Us, marami. Hindi ko na mabilang ang About. Marami na.
Marami
Tapos,
na.
at saka kasi 2022 pa yun, di ba?
Kaya
inaasahan na
hanggang ngayon, di
siya dito.
Ang ganda ng feedback din sa CISA direct, no?
Yes!
How was the experience ng inano sa Cinematheque with First Lady? Nandun din.
Sobra
First
ako
Lady.
kinakabahan nun kasi karamihan na manonood dun, mga filmmakers din.
Opo.
Kasi dati, yung mga past 2 screenings namin with the press, with the students, with the teachers, napaka-positive. Sobrang brave din sila. But iba siyempre pag colleagues mo, kapag taga-industry na, nakakatuwa. Gusto ni Ding Dong, si Kabutsan Sunroa, niyakap ako. Ang dami. So, nakakataba ng puso. Appreciate nila yung sisi.
Ang ano nila direct na yung parang all out yung support ng First Lady. Ano eksakto na lang doon?
Oo
Dun sa movie industry natin.
Nagpapasalamat dahil kailangan talaga natin yung suporta ng gobyerno. Lahat ng institusyon na pwedeng tumulong sa pelikula natin, especially now na we're trying to attract audiences to go back to cinemas. We want to believe that if we offer them something different, something that's meant for the big screen, na mabalik sila. Kaya anumang tulong ang magagawa ng gobyerno.
So, no political color or whatever. Huwag lagyan ng kulay.
Oo. Anong pinag-usapan ninyo ni Vice na yung pelikula niya ngayon compared sa mga dati niyang nagagawa? Ito umiikot sa ibang international film festival.
Siyempre excited siya. Excited talaga siya. Especially for this festival. Gusto talaga niyang pumunta sa festival, may experience manood ng pelikula niya kasama ang mga kababayan natin sa ibang bansa, tsaka mga ibang foreign audiences din. Yun naman talaga yung gusto namin gawin. Huwag ma-alienate yung core audience niya na nagpapatawa pa rin siya, but at the same time, mas maging universal, makagawa tayo ng pelikula para sa festivals. Yun na nga excited pa akong makagawa talaga si Meme ng movie na talagang pang-festival.
Pang-festival, abroad at international.
Marami kami pinag-uusapan ni Meme, so tingnan natin kung ano magagawa namin sa dami ng pinag-uusapan namin.
So, willing si Vice mag-attend sa lahat ng mga international film festival.
Feeling ko gagawin niya yan.
Gagawin, kakaririn niya.
Kakaririn niya. Kita niyo naman kung gaano siya kasipag pumunta sa mga cinema.
Yes.
Gagawin niyang Cubao to. Itong Tokyo, ano pa ba? Ang Europe, gagawin niyang Cubao yan.
Meron din sa Europe.
Ay, hindi ko pa alam.
Ay, nasabi mo na.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam.
Hindi, pero may mga naka-line up pa po.
I'm sure.
Call Me Mother or Red Winner.
I'm sure hindi kasi kami may hawak So,
okay.
na mabalitaan na lang kami. So, we'll see.
Pero direct, first kasi ito, Philippines and Japan film festival. So, ano to, may mga awards night din ba sila? Or, so, pwede bang manalo ng award kayo rito or si
Ano
Vice?
yata?
I think this is
Exhibition
really more
lang.
about commemorative
Okay.
festival.
Anniversary ng Philippines.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Direk, ha. Dinayo ka namin dito, ha. Ayan. Si Salve, ayan. Si Gorgie.
Ng About Us, di ba?
はい、お持ちいただいて、はい、させていただきます。OK。 私、メインオーガナイザーの曽我と申します。本日はよろしくお願いいたします。2025年の大阪アジア映画祭で、そして大黒柱という作品で、作品に惚れ込んでしまいまして、2作品目となるお二人の「Call Me Mother」今日、上映ということなんですが、Maybe it's okay, just a question. じゃあ早速お二人にクエスチョン for to you、コールミマザーという作品とてもユニバーサルなね、これから見ていただく作品ですけれど、テーマになっていますけれども、主人公の本当に正直な表現というのにとても惹かれたんですが、作品を、演出も含めてどのように主人公を
our film festival. So, she's Masumi Sogam, so she's a producer and coordinator for this film festival. So, last year, 2025, she was the breadwinner, and she was really touched, the movie. And this is, the second one, Call Me Mother. So, she found, the last time, so it's very personal theme, and this one is very universal theme, and she really interested in this film. So, she wanna know, and ano siya, she really touched kung paano kayo na naging mother si Miss na-attach na siya. Opo. So, gusto niya malaman na kung paano kayo naging role na yung mother, bilang mother, as mother. No? So, how did you make your role for this movie?
portray the role?
Okay, for
Long process. We have a creative team back home, our two scriptwriters, Stacy, Danielle. I've worked with them before with And the Breadwinner Is, and then we've worked on this material again. The script is alive, but when I say alive, it means that it changes forms, it changes shape as we're shooting. So even when we're shooting, we're adjusting the script depending on
I guess.
how I think we should pursue emotions, feelings. So even up to the last moment, we were revising the script,
up
and
to the last day of your editing,
up to the last
the
day.
script is adjusted by him.
So because when you edit, it's actually like you're making another movie, and then you try to shape it and you try to give it the life that it deserves, and you try to, because we're also showing this during the Metro Manila Film Festival, and we're very mindful that there's an audience that's going to watch this, and we want this to be a story that honors them, because it's a story about motherhood. I mean, in the Philippines, it's really a matriarchal society. We look up to our mothers, so it's really important.
It is actually
Alright, look here please. And 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay, one more vertical. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.